hey, go check out the Yellow Jacket merch. Link is down in the description below. And go get it while it's hot and while it's here. And stop playing.
He trigger fingers this thing too.
Fuck. I'm glad I'm on your team, bro.
I'm glad I'm on your team. Yep, we're out here.
I'm outside. Let's do. What y'all doing? What y'all want to tell YouTube? Don't let that. Hey, let's go play. Let's go get in the game. Let's go find them. What's up, guys? You're watching this video. Hey, there's one right here.
Oh no!
I'm right behind you. Let me back.
Hey guys, I'm all the way at Disneyland. So hey, like this video and give this channel your support.
Hit. Can't shoot through cracks, man. Who, me?
I was just like, I popped out, you fucking got me. I was like, bitch!
Oh, you got me too, right in that window?
Oh, shit.
You got me too.
Oh, shit.
No, those, you got me.
Y'all, look at my man just chilling, shooting. Hey, y'all, like this video. Yo, exclusive. Hey, with the AK all black. Yeah, you see him, guys. Hey, you gotta subscribe. Hey. Yellow Jacket Airsoft. I appreciate it.
The kill house is the big one.
Yeah. Yes, it's us. Oh, okay.
Come on guys, like this video. Get me out of jail. Thank you.
Hit! Hit! God damn! I love it! Damn!
Oh, he's hiding in the house. Laying down right there. You see backlight?
Yeah, I see. Yeah, I was trying to make her push up, but she didn't want to push. That's a shooter.
I did.
Oh, okay, you did. Yes, sir. Yeah.
You're nice. You're nice and all. You're friendly.
Hey guys, I'm all the way in Disneyland. So like this video now.
You like that, didn't you? Hit! I said, wow. How many did you need?
You serious?
Come on, you gonna shoot after I shot you? You one of those ones? Makes sense.
出れた出れた出れた飛ばす飛ばす飛ばすもう一回もう一回はっはっはっはっはっはっはっはっドレムーバーあはは